This is Algebra 1. These are the notes for Measure Up 3. If your problem tells you to factor x squared minus 4x plus 12, my suggestion is that you go to your calculator at your home screen. Make sure you have something stored for x. And remember to do that, you put your number and then the store button right above on, x, enter. So I have stored 5 as x. Then you just take the problem they gave you and punch it in at your home screen. X squared minus 4x plus 12. And you get 17. So we're looking for the answer choice that gives us 17. So we're going to take the first choice and type it just like it looks. X plus 2, close, open. X minus 6, close, enter. And I get -7, which tells me that's not the answer. So then I do the next one, open, x minus 6, close, open, x minus 2, close. And I get -3, so that tells me that that is not the answer. And I would continue until I found the one that was the answer, which means you would have to find the one that was 17. Okay, a reminder about parallel lines. We know that parallel lines never touch, and the reason they don't touch is because they have the same slope. Okay, so you have to get y by itself, and then you look at the number with x. And it would have to be the same for them to be parallel. If they give you an equation and want you to solve it, everything before the equal sign goes to y1, everything after goes to y2, and then you're going to do second calc 5, enter, enter, enter. So let's go to y1 and clear it out, and we're going to say 3 divided by 4. You're going to use x. Once you're in y1, you have to use x regardless of what letter they used. So 3/4 x plus 2. And then we go to y2 and we put 12. So second calc 5 for intersect. Let it draw. Enter, enter, enter. And when it gives you an error like this, you quit that and you go to zoom. 3 for out. You must press enter for it to actually zoom out. You let it draw. You continue to press enter until you see where the lines cross. I can see where the lines cross here, so I don't have to press enter again. Then you do your second calc 5 all over again. Second calc 5, enter, enter, enter. X is 13.33. That would be your answer. So 13.33 is what you're looking for. Okay, number line, graphing on a number line. We haven't done it in a while. You need to remember that if there is a line under here like that, then you're going to have a solid circle. If there is no line, it's an open circle. The other thing to remember is that if x is at the beginning, you shade the way the arrow points. In my mind, this is an arrow that points to the left, so I shade that way. This is an arrow, it points to the right, so I would shade that way. All right, John bought 5 shirts. Blue shirts cost $3 and green shirts cost $4. He spent $16. How many shirts did he buy? All right, this is definitely going to show up. This is a system of equations. We're talking about blue shirts and green shirts. So B plus G equals, how many shirts did he have? 5 shirts. Then you put the money all in the same one. So 3 goes with blue, so that would be 3B, plus 4 goes with green, so 4G equals, he spent $16. So now you've got to solve this. What you would want to do here is get something by itself, probably your G. So for the first one, this becomes G is equal to 5 minus B. The other one, it's going to become 4G is equal to 16 minus 3B. And then everything is divided by 4. What you could do here is put parentheses around that and then say divided by 4 to take that away. You want to put this in your calculator at y1 and y2. So your first equation is 5 minus, we're going to use x. The second equation is open 16 minus 3x close divided by 4. Then you do your second calc, number 5 for intersect. Let it draw. I can see where it crosses, so enter, 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 and my solution is 4, 1. Okay, 4, 1. Now, the one that was by itself, remember, is your y. So that tells me that this is green and this is blue. What are they asking for? Green. So the answer is 1. They are long, okay? It is a long question, but it is not that difficult. I promise you, you will have one like it. What is the vertex of f of x is equal to x squared plus 6? We haven't talked about that in a long time. Remember, your vertex is either the top or the bottom. If it looks like this, this is your vertex, okay? And it would be considered a min. So you're going to put this in your calculator at y equal. So go to y equal and clear everything out. And you're going to put x squared plus 6. So x squared plus 6. Look at your graph. Just do a quick zoom 6. And it opens up and your vertex is at the bottom, so that means it is a minimum. So second calc, minimum, which is a number 3. Go to the left so that you're before it. Press enter. Go to the right until you get past it. Enter, enter. And the vertex is always a point. If you see that E, remember that means 0. So it's 0, 6. 0, 6 is your answer. All right, we haven't looked at doing the vertex or solving quadratics in a while, but it's going to show up, so we need this refresher. Okay, the last one on your notes for the day is find the slope of 12x minus 4y equals 16. You got to get y by itself first. So move that 12x, and negative 4y is equal to 16 minus 12x. Everything gets divided by negative 4. So y is equal to 16 divided by negative 4, which is negative 4, and negative 12 divided by negative 4, which is a positive 3x. Slope is a number with x, and so m, which is your slope, is equal to 3. Okay, that's the end of your notes for Measure Up number 3. You're ready to start your assignment.